I hate the beginning stages of making something, of trying something new. Speaking from my own experiences, of course, I'm always in battle with my own inner thoughts that tend to be not so encouraging. And starting any new project really highlights how unhappy that mindset can be. There's so much better artists. Why are you doing this? You're probably going to get nothing out of it, and it's going to be a waste of time. On the contrary, it also highlights all the thoughts for me that confirm that I am indeed doing something I truly should be doing. I love to create, and it doesn't matter how I'm feeling. If I'm happy, I'll be excited to start a new project. If I'm sad, then creating will allow me to escape out of my head and do something I enjoy. I feel as though these contrasting thoughts have brought me to where I need to be and helped me continue to grow. The good fights the bad, and vice versa. Majority of the time, the good wins because I'm still here, still showing up, and still going for it. What is it? I don't quite know yet, but I am enjoying the ride. I'm happy that I found some sort of artistic niche, if you will, that helps me to fight those mental battles. It's quite difficult in the art world when you're wanting to try everything to see where you belong, air quote, and you're really just wandering around clueless for some time. Where do I start? Where is the start? What do I actually want to be doing? For me, it was drawing people and learning about proportions and shading. That's where I started. Then that transformed into pets and animals, and then I explored trying different mediums like watercolor and gouache. I soon revisited my love for sewing and stuffies as a kid when my boyfriend got me a simple little singer for my birthday one year. My mother is a fellow artist in the sewing niche, and I grew up with creating. So it was almost bound to happen that I would return to my love for sewing. The past few years have been interesting. I've come to answer my own thoughts that can be negative and hold me back. Why are you even doing this? Well, that one became clear to me over time because I enjoy it. I show up time and time again, even after wanting to give up, and I enjoy it. I'm also doing this for my little one. I want to show her how to be brave and curious and try new things, and so many opportunities will open up for her. I was a barber before this, and my art has allowed me to stay home and raise my baby. I was always unsure about doing hair. At one point in time, I was so passionate, and for some reason that I don't have, the fire kind of just faded. The negative thoughts grew louder, and my lack of enjoyment for that craft was not able to silence them, as my love for art can silence my negative thoughts in that sense. After having my first baby, I haven't returned. I do miss certain aspects of my time as a barber, creating art with hair, collaborating with my clients to create something beautiful. But my introverted self feels so much more me now than ever before. I'm enjoying this chapter of my life. Of course, each one of us has to face our own challenges in life, physically, mentally, family, work, relationships. There's so much. But if there's one thing that I can wish for everyone to have is that balance, that contrast of mind I spoke about in the beginning, the escape from the struggle because you find so much joy in what you're doing that you're able to break free of your own mental barriers or the barriers that others may put up against you. And once you find something that you know you truly enjoy, that helps you push through to be brave and try new things, that's exactly where you need to be. Come. Of course, there'll be doubt, as there was for me with prior passions. Will this fire burn out too? But my simple answer is it doesn't matter. You don't live in the same chapter of your life forever, and your book of life is too short anyway. So if there's something that you truly enjoy, keep going.